You're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams. That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
She spent over a decade caring for the most vulnerable people in society, the elderly, the sick, the disabled. But behind closed doors, authorities say she was carrying up to 200 grams of methamphetamine. Today, a Texas judge is about to look her dead in the eyes and make sure she never forgets this moment. And trust me, the way this judge handles it, nobody saw it coming. Stay right there.
2023 CR 0562A, State of Texas versus Thilda Thanasuk. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garahan, Your Honor.
Defense?
Greg Van Cleve.
And probation, this is an application. Are you Theta Thanasuk Reyes?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes, I did.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Showing you what's entitled application for community supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, we do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Your Honor. We are waiving count 1 and proceeding on count 2 alone.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled court admonishments and defendants waivers and affidavit of admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? Did you intend to give up those rights and enter a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, she has.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,500 fine. State recommends community supervision. They will take in consideration 2022 CR 2520, 659-482, 659-483. And there's to be restitution of $57 to the lab for testing. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Well, it was 10 over 10. That wasn't.
That's the
I
plea.
know.
Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
State, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
Showing you paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your term of community supervision be for 10 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 200 hours community service restitution. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plea and count 2, guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
I can't hear you. You're whispering. All right. State any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. State Exhibit Number 1 with all of its attachments.
Any objections? Mr. Garahan, any objections?
No, Your Honor.
All right. State, you may have a seat. I know you're conferring. Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court has reviewed the same. Court is finding there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, in review of the past couple sentences that you've done, you have ordered that the people could not maintain their, I guess, profession as a home healthcare provider. And Ms. Luke has been a healthcare provider for in excess of a decade. And
No, she's not going to be allowed to be a home healthcare provider. She's not going to be able to work with minors.
is that for the balance of the term? Or for-
Yes. I don't allow that because people who have felony convictions should not be working with vulnerable persons. And I consider children, the elderly, and other people with special needs, I consider those vulnerable people. Although at the same time, I think they can do everything that we can do, probably better. But I see my role as to protect people and let them know, this is the person who's working with you, because many times people will hire people to work as in daycares at, as a home healthcare provider. They never tell the person that they're being a care provider for, hey, did you know that this person is on felony probation for drugs? Did you know that this person is on felony probation for theft? So I don't allow that.
Yes, sure.
All right. Anything else?
There you go.
All right. Who is John Stephen Meyer to you?
Friend.
All right. Do you have any children?
Yes.
What are their ages?
He's 10.
I'm sorry.
10.
And where's the 10-year-old?
Mississippi.
With whom?
His father.
Why do you not have your child?
We're going through separation. He came here to visit and he took him. My lawyer at the time told me not to let them be alone because when he takes him out of Texas state line, there's nothing I can do about it. And that's exactly what I did. I left him alone and he took him.
Okay. Well, you know what I would always tell my clients, even when I represented mothers, it's not just your child, it's everybody's child. And when I say everybody, it's the other parent's child as well. So if you can take a child across state lines that's your biological child, then maybe the father can take the child off across state lines. But there's always legal ways to resolve that issue.
But she had not advised me.
Okay.
So we could probably look at it.
All right. Court is going to sentence you to 10 years prison, suspended and probated for 10 years. There's a $2,500 fine that will be probated. There's to be proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home healthcare provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Do you have any drug issues? Have you used drugs?
Yes.
What? Meth?
Yes.
How often have you been using meth before you came to the Bexar County Jail?
Like 6 months, wasn't even long.
So, how often?
Oh, how often? Not like on the weekends. It was on the weekend.
All right. People always say that it's like when people have DWIs, how many beers did you have? Everybody always has a couple. Here's the thing. If you don't think you need help with a drug problem, if you end up testing positive, I'm going to write down in this file that you said, nope, listen to me. I'm going to write down on this docketing sheet that you told me you didn't need any help with any drug issue. So when you come to court, if you come back here and it's a positive UA, I don't want to hear that nobody offered you help. You understand?
Okay.
So do you need help with a drug issue? All right. I'm going to want the UA hotline, and she needs to be tested at least once a week, random. There's going to be 200 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. Court is not requiring you to do that, but if you do, 40 of those hours will be waived. I'm going to want parenting classes. I'm going to want regular reporting by Zoom or in person, field visits, one time per month until further notice. There's to be no contact with John Stephen Meyer, Meyer. Probation, is there any, take in consideration County Court now cause number 659-482, 659-483, felony cause number 2022 CR 2520. Probation, is there anything else she needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. In this court, if you're going to be on probation, communication with your probation officer is key. If there's something that you feel that you need, ask your probation officer. If you feel like they are not addressing the issue, you can always come into court. Okay? Thank you.
10 years probation, no working with children, no working with the elderly, and a judge who made absolutely sure she understood every single word. What do you think? Was the sentence fair, or did she deserve more? Drop your verdict in the comments below. And if you want more real courtroom moments where judges hold nothing back, hit that subscribe button, because we cover these cases every single week.